I have something new in my mail. Finally, it's my camera. Canon AE-1. See how I can get to open this, and hope the video is gonna be even slightly good. I really could have planned this out better. Oh dear. Oh. Hold up. Well, later. Well, it hasn't turned out the way I would have hoped it to be with unpacking this, but it's close enough for government work. Let's see if I can open this in any way or form. Strong packaging. It's enormous. I've yet to see it myself as well. I've only seen pictures of it. Oh, I feel it. I've got it. I think so. Just, yeah. Anyway, that'll come in a moment. Hey, would you look at that? What a little extra. Is that the lens? It is a lens. Oh my god. I got a bonus. That's surprise. Damn, I didn't expect that. Or I did, and just kind of forgot. Let's see this, and right around die. Come on, please don't. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. It's gorgeous already. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh yes. Oh baby. Oh, it feels nice. It feels nice. Oh wow. My brand new camera. Holy shit, it looks nice. It did look awesome. Wow. Wow. Oh, nice. Let's take a look. It's dark. Maybe I should take the lens off. Tokina. Focus. And light. Tokina. Yes. Let's check. Oh, wow. Feels so nice. Yes, I am definitely happy with this one. But it has something with this as well, and I wonder what it is. If I can get it out. Don't damage it, please. Please. What are you from? Mystical? Magical? TC double. Oh, the doubler. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's amazing, nice. It feels really good in my hands. Yeah, I'm happy I got it. Let's check if it may have a battery or not. Don't think it does. Safety first. How the hell do I open this thing? I'll figure this out somehow. Just give me a moment. So I finally managed somehow to open it, and there's a battery. Yay! Awesome, nice. So it's just like click, click, and bang. Nice. I'm gonna have some fun with this. Oh yes, it feels so nice. Anyway, enough horning. Yeah.